inside.
Man, I got all this water on me. Honestly, bro, I never thought I was gonna say what I'm about to say. Like, I'm starting to get this urge to where, like, I just kind of want, like, nobody to know who I am. And, like, I know I be saying stuff about people being antisocial. That's a whole different problem because people really be antisocial and they really just only know how to interact on the phone. I know how to interact in person, but for some reason, I'm getting this urge to where I just don't want people to know who I am. It's a weird thing because I still love to do YouTube. I still like to do, like, I still like filming myself. I still like doing, like, workout videos. I still like doing all this stuff. I still like talking to y'all. But it's just a weird thing because now it's like I'm making these videos, but it's like sometimes I'm like, why am I posting this? Why do I want people to know who I am? Like, nothing on social media is cool, bro. Nothing anymore on social media for me is, like, cool. Besides, like, people motivating other people, I guess, because I mean that helps your life. But nothing on social media is cool, bro. Like, literally, like, all of it is just whatever. Sometimes I just think about this, like, what if I just find me a little shorty and we just duck off into the mountains and then we just live our life. Like, we just live life, you know what I'm saying? Have my PS5, TV, you know, I'll be good, bro. I mean, that's the dream. But, yo, don't be afraid. I'm gonna keep uploading, I'm gonna keep posting. You know what I'm saying? Because I genuinely like to record. I genuinely like to make, you know, videos and stuff like that. So I'm gonna keep doing this. But, yeah, I don't even care. I don't even care to be seen, bro. Like, I don't even care about the whole shebang no more, bro. I don't know, man. Maybe I just need a break. Maybe that's what it is. I just need a break. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't taking a break, though. But remember this. I was watching a movie and I got this from the movie. Y'all might know what movie it is. It's easier to buy your reality than to dispose to your dreams. Y'all think about what that means. Alright, y'all, making a fire right now. If y'all don't know, I am the best certified fire starter in the nation. So, yeah, I can teach y'all. When you start a fire, once it gets going, the way to really keep the fire going fast and bumping is you put paper on top of the fire. You put it on top. You don't put it under, you put it on top, because when the fire feeds, the way the fire feeds it, it's trying to get through all the way to the top. So if you put it on top, that means the fire is going to be more attracted to the top of the fire, and that's how you get it going. So, yeah. Basically, what I was trying to explain was if you put the paper on top of the fire, that means for the fire to burn the paper, it has to work all the way through the wood to burn the paper. Now it's probably going to take like 2 minutes, and then we're going to be good.
Great job.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, smooth player. Reba.
I was looking at your eyes, and you looked a little.
I'm just so proud of you. I just am excited for you in your life, really.
Thank you, Gwen.
My heart is wrapped around her. I love her so much.
Go, girl.
Appreciate you watching the video. Subscribe.